Yesterday marked a tragic milestone in the ongoing war on the people of Gaza. Israeli occupation forces have massacred 40,000 people, majority of them women and children. The ongoing genocide in Gaza must end, and Israel should be held accountable for its war crimes and crimes against humanity. Pakistan strongly condemns the illegal storming of Al-Aqsa Mosque by hundreds of extremist settlers led by office bearers of the Israeli occupation authorities. Desecration of one of Islam's holiest sites and obstruction to the rights of worshippers have deeply hurt the sentiments of Muslims worldwide. This act is a violation of Geneva Conventions and blatant disregard of multiple UNSC resolutions regarding the historical city of Jerusalem.